what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Hello there guys, this is Jack One Day talking here, and today I've got another video for you. So today's video is another product review. This product review is on the diffuser. So basically what the product is, it's a air diffuser, or mist sort of diffuser, and you put water in it and it basically turns it into steam, and it makes your room smell nice, it adds moisture to the air, and it just helps you breathe, especially when you've got stuff like colds or runny nose, something like that where it's like you've got a blocked nose. I use it a lot of time when I've got colds in the winter. I put eucalyptus in it. So yeah, I'll show you the product now. Right, so here's the product, as you can see right in front of me. It's not too big, as you can see, it's no bigger than my hand really. And it's a plastic material, as you see this one's white all over, and the steam comes out of this little hole on top there. And it's got two settings, basically two buttons down the bottom, as you can see here. So you've got a light button, which on the left, and then on the right the mist button, and I'll take you through what they do in a second. So when you get the box, what you need to do is obviously just unpackage it out of the packaging, plug it in. So you'll get a white cable like I have back here, which just plugs into the wall on the mains, and at the bottom, as you can see there, it just plugs in and the cable sort of tucks in quite nicely. It's got a little run for it, so it doesn't obviously raise off the surface too much, but it's just got the three little feet, as you can see at the bottom there, with an air vent. And then basically you put that down on your surface, make sure it's a nice flat surface and it's not wonky. So like I have, once you've done that, you're ready to get water. So in my one, I basically got this little jug here. As you can see, it's a nice little jug. This is 150 ml capacity of water of what it holds. So I've got 150 ml of water in my little jug now. And what you need to do is just screw this off. So what you do is you turn it. Right, so once you've got the lid off like I have, it's nothing special, it's just a piece of plastic, so the steam can sort of build up inside and then come through the valve, sort of like a whistle effect. And then you have the main bit at the bottom, which is here. So what you need to do is basically put water in here. As you can see, mine's a little bit dirty inside because it does need a little bit of a clean, but I've used it quite a lot, so it can get dirty. You just need to clean it and make sure you keep on top of that. So basically the technology inside this, I'm not really sure how it works, to be honest with you, but this little thing here sort of allows the water to steam up, and you'll see a little waterfall effect. So I'll quickly show you what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the water in now, but I'm only going to pour a little bit in so I can quickly show you this waterfall effect I'm on about. So to turn it on, you just click mist, and then you have, ready, watch this, see that, and it's flicking water everywhere now but it's steaming up, so I'm going to turn it off. So as you can see now, there's water literally everywhere. So appreciate what I just did for you guys. So I've just cleaned it up, as you can see, and yeah, I'm going to stop messing around with it and actually show you what this item does now. So what you do, yeah, is put the whole jug of water in. Well, you don't have to put the whole thing in, but I'm going to today. So the whole 150 milliliters of water. This is just room temperature, so it's not like boiling hot or cold. It doesn't really matter as long as it's just sort of like room temperature, then that's perfectly fine. So now I've added the water, you're ready to either basically put the cover back on and turn it on and just have sort of water steamed up and then going into your room. But what I recommend is putting essential oils in it, because it's an essential oil diffuser. So as you can see over here, I've got some oil here. So I've got, this is lemon oil, I've also got some peppermint oil, and I've also got, like I said, eucalyptus right there. So that's the one I use for when I've got colds, helps me breathe easier. But these two smell nice. So if I want a nice like sort of citrusy lemon oil smell in my room, I just add a few drips of this one. And if I want a peppermint oil sort of smell, I add this one. Sometimes it's good to mix both of them to have like a minty lemon smell that's quite refreshing. and does wake you up. So them two are a good combination, and then yeah, that's for when I start to feel a bit ill. This one definitely does help me sleep at night. Just leave it running, and then it sort of helps you breathe at night. However, I'm not going to use this today. I'm actually going to use my own aftershave, because I like my Jeep home aftershave. So because I like the smell of that, I'm just going to basically spray a few sprays of that in the top of here, and it just makes my room smell of like an aftershave I like, which is great. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is just get the spray and literally spray some in. Being careful not to splash it too much. There you go. So I just put like 5 sprays in there, and now ready to put the cover back on. So all you do is place that back down on top like that, and then see how the little logo is there. You just turn it to lock it in place, and that's basically locked in, so you can't lift it up. Right, so now it's all back together. So to turn it on, what you need to do is obviously have it all powered up on the switch, the lead plugged in, which you should have done beforehand, and simply click the mist button on the right. So I'm going to do that now. So you click it once, has a green light, and as you can see, the steam is coming through instantly like that, and it just produces a really cool effect, and it comes through this little hole here, and oh, it smells good already. It's blowing around quite a lot because I've got my window open. So the best thing to do is obviously have your window shut so it doesn't escape out the window. But however, if you're standing nearby and it's on your desk, you will be able to smell it even if you have got your window open. It's just if you want to make your whole room smell of it, then obviously shut your windows. So as you just saw, this is turned off. So what the green setting is a 30-second timer. So it's on for 30 seconds and then it turns off for 30 seconds. And that basically repeats all the time, so on a constant loop. So to have it constantly on, all you do is click it one more time and it has a red LED. And now it's always going to stay on, always letting out steam. So that's what I tend to have it on. With a full 150 millilitres of water, it does tend to last quite a few hours. I would say off the top of my head, about 4 or 5 hours it would last. So it is definitely good because you don't have to keep refilling it. 150 is enough. The great thing about this product is you can also use it as like a mood lamp. So if you click light on the side, on the left side like that, it comes up with a light like that, and basically it flicks through very smoothly, rolls through the whole sort of colour spectrum like so. If you wanted to lock it on one colour to sort of set the mood in your room or to go with your room, all you got to do is click it once and it will stay on that colour, and it won't continue to change through the colours. So as you can see, it's staying on blue right now, and not changing. But if you just click it again, then I think that's actually, yeah, flicking through the colours. Yeah, so you flick through the colours if you just keep clicking it, which is quite nice, quite a cool effect. And then turn it off, and then to turn it back on, just hold it again, click it again, and it will sort of cycle back through. Another little feature this has is basically when the water gets to a certain level right near the bottom and it's near enough run out, it will automatically turn itself off, the light will come off, and the steam will stop coming out, sort of like as a safety sort of mechanism, so the machinery at the bottom doesn't break and it's not just throwing out air sort of thing. So yeah, I'll just quickly add, this product is very, very quiet. You can hardly hear it. All you can really hear is quite a relaxing sound actually. It's the little drip sound of the little fountain inside that it creates, with the cool technology it has to create the steam. I'll also add that this steam is not hot, so if you put your hand there like that, it's not hot steam, it's actually cold, which I don't know how this technology works. You think like steam, oh, it's going to be hot, but this is actually cool steam. It is really good. So yeah, it's not hot steam, so you don't have to like worry about kids sort of burning themselves from it. However, obviously I wouldn't let kids play with this because it's not really a toy, yeah, if they tip it over, water could go everywhere and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have and you think you want the product, then go down to the link in the description, and the link will be there for it, so you can purchase it. It's off Amazon. It's like £15, £20, £15. There's loads of different sort of ones similar to that I have that you can have a look through as well, but I do recommend the one I've got. I've had it for about a year and a half now and it's done an amazing job. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and also leave a like and comment down below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.